Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about competitor analysis. Now, competitor analysis is crucial for, staying ahead in today's competitive digital landscape and understanding what your competitors are doing, how they are attracting customers, and identifying their strengths and weaknesses can provide valuable insights to improve your own strategies and gain a competitive edge. In this video, I'm going to talk about SimilarWeb. With this tool, you can effortlessly access a wealth of data about your competitors' websites, including their traffic sources, audience, demographics, popular keywords, and even their marketing channel. By comparing this data with your own data, you can identify untapped opportunities, fine-tune your marketing campaigns, and optimize your website to attract more visits. So without wasting time, let's get started. So this is a great tool by the name of SimilarWeb. And once you log into this tool, there is a complete dashboard which you can see. Now, if you want to track the performance of your competitor, how they are doing and everything about their visits, what kind of device, people are using to come onto their website and other kind of information if you want to come. So you can use this tool very well. Now, if I go to the website performance, so I am taking, for example, I'm taking this Amazon.in as a website and I want to extract the data of how Amazon is performing in India or country wise or worldwide. Whatever the options you just put into the same, it will give you the data according to the inputs you are giving. Now suppose Amazon.in, so if I come onto the website performance and I can see that traffic and engagement. Now traffic and engagement, so I've taken it for the 3 months, April, May, June. And if you talk about total visits, so it's almost 915 million traffic. Okay, so total visits, it's like the total number of visits the website receive within a specified time period. So it indicates the overall popularity and traffic volume of the website. Then we have this device distribution. Now, what is this device distribution? Now, this feature shows the distribution of website visits across different types of devices, such as it can be desktop, it can be mobile, it can be tablet, and it helps you to understand how users access the website. So if people are using or browsing the website more through mobile, so your approach can be that if you are also into the same industry, so you have to, work on your mobile friendliness of the website. Next, we can see the global rank, country rank, industry rank, and then we come on to the engagement overview. Now, engagement overview is definitely important. So here you can see 3 things which are very important. Almost there are 6, elements which need to be considered. So first is the monthly visits. Monthly visits is the total number of visits the website received in a particular month. So the total number of visits Amazon received in a particular month. Okay, so this is for the 3 consecutive months from April to June. So these are the monthly visits. It's almost 305 million monthly visits are there. Okay, now if we talk about monthly unique visitors, so monthly unique visitors is the number of distinct individuals. I mean, there are unique individuals who visited Amazon within the specified period or within the specified month we can talk about. Then we have this deduplicated audience. So deduplicated audience is really important to consider. It refers to the unique number of individuals. So there has to be the unique number of individuals who visited a website. Now you are counting each person only once, even if they visited the website multiple times. So suppose there are 3 people, John, Mary, and say Tina. So John visited the website say 3 times, Mary visited the website 3 times, and Tina visited the website 2 times. So the total number of visits is 8. Okay, but if we go on to the deduplicated number, so it means that the person should be counted as 1 only. So John should be counted as a 1 visit, then Mary should be counted as a 1 visit, and Tina should be counted as a 1 visit. So the total deduplicated visits must be 3. Okay, so or I can explain again that if John visited Amazon 3 times, Mary visited Amazon 2 times, Alex visited Amazon 4 times. Okay, so without deduplication, it would be 3 plus 2 plus 4, which is 9 visits. Okay, because I have taken their original numbers. Okay, I have taken their original numbers. But if I'm going to use the deduplication, we can count each person only once, regardless of how many times they visited the website. So the deduplicated audience would be John is 1, Mary is 1, and say Alex is 1. So 3 unique visitors. Okay. Now, if we go on to the visits over time, so this is very important. Now, visits over time, it provides a graphical, you can see the graph here. So it provides a graphical representation of the website's traffic trends over a specific period. So you can see that visits over time. So visits over time is all about graphical representation of a website's trend. Okay. Now you can compare that with the other players also in the market. There are other players like Amazon, it's Flipkart, Chroma, IndiaMart, 91mobiles.com. So you can also, once you click here, so you will get the complete data and you can compare how Amazon is performing as compared to the other competitors or other players in the market. Okay. So if you want to have more detailed research, so you can do that. Next, we have the geography. Geography is like the top countries. Okay. So this feature presents the top countries or, geographic regions from which the website receives the most traffic. So obviously Amazon.in, as we are majorly talking about India, so it is, receiving the traffic majorly from India, followed by US, UK, United Arab, and Canada. Okay. So it helps identify what are the primary sources of the website audience. So here the primary audience is India. Now, marketing channels. If we talk about marketing channels, it's really important because it tells you what can be the marketing strategy, the digital marketing strategy of a specific company. So in this sense, like we are considering the example of Amazon, so we can see how much is the direct traffic, then the traffic from email, referral, social, okay, organic, paid search, display ads. Now, if we talk about direct, so what is the direct traffic? Direct traffic, you can say that it's the number of visits that came from users directly typing the website URL or using bookmarks. So if you just go on to Google and type amazon.in, so it means you are very direct. Your approach towards going to that website is very direct. So it's a direct traffic. Okay. Next, we have the email, which is like, 0.37%. So they are getting, the traffic, a good amount of 7.37% from emails. So emails is like the number of visits generated through links or content shared via email marketing campaigns. Okay, so whatever the content or whatever the links you are sharing to people through emails, so and you are getting clicks and people are coming onto the website making a purchase. So this is the kind of traffic you are generating through emails. Third, we can see it's referrals. So referrals can be the number of visits that came from external websites. So there can be external websites who are referring or who are driving people onto the Amazon. Okay, so that is the referral traffic, and this is really good. So it's 2.91%, so which is really good. And if we talk about social is like the number of visits that originated from various social media platforms. It can be your Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, or any other source of, the social channel. Then we have the organic search. Organic search is like, majorly it is like, SEO. So the number of visits that came through organic search engine results. So there you can see that their organic search is superb after direct traffic. So organic search cannot be ignored. It means that they are working continuously and consistently on their search engine optimization. Okay. So organic search is the number of visits that are coming through organic search engine results. Next, we have this paid search. So paid search is like the number of visits that are coming through paid search advertising campaigns. So they are spending money and the kind of, traffic they are getting from the paid search ad. And the last, we have this display ads, which is very less, but still it is gathering some, capturing some kind of traffic. So display ads, it's like the number of visits that are, driven by display ads efforts. Next, we move on to the organic search. So organic search is like, branded versus non-branded. Then we have top organic search. So this shows like, this feature provides insights into the keywords and phrases. Okay. So what kind of keywords and phrases that are driving organic search traffic to the website. Okay. So these are the organic search, keywords. So like Amazon, Amazon India, Amazon.in, Amazon Mini TV, Amazon Music. Okay, so these are the branded. It's like 57% are the branded keywords, and non-branded keywords are 43%. So organic search, it's like, you can say that it provides insights into the keywords and phrases that are driving organic search traffic to the website. Now it helps identify popular search terms and their respective traffic volume. So now how much is the traffic volume of Amazon, then Amazon India, Amazon.in, Amazon Mini TV, and so on. Next we have this, paid search. Now paid search, it's very similar to organic search, but this feature offers insights into the keywords that are driving paid search traffic to the websites. Okay, so these are the paid search ads. You can see that shop online at Amazon India, India's largest online store. So, and these are the paid search terms. So Amazon, Amazon India, Amazon Mini TV, Amazon in Mini TV. So this is similar to organic search, but this is the paid one. Okay, so these are the drivers of paid search traffic to the website through online advertising campaigns. Next, we go on to referrals. Now, what kind of websites are there which is driving traffic to this website? Okay, so what referral websites are there which are driving traffic to Amazon? Okay, now referrals, as you can see that this feature lists the external websites. So primevideo.com, amazon.com, indiatimes.com, 91mobiles.com, smartbricks.com. Okay, so as we can see from this data, it's indiatimes.com, there is an increase. Then 91mobiles.com, there is an increase in driving traffic to Amazon. So this feature lists the external websites. Okay, external website that are referring traffic to the Amazon. Now it helps users understand which sources are sending visitors to the site. So you can very well understand and make an assumption, okay, if you are also into the same business and indiatimes.com is providing a great traffic to Amazon, then I can also pitch out to them, and I can also get benefit from indiatimes.com or 91mobiles.com. Similarly, we have this outgoing traffic and outgoing ads. So outgoing traffic and outgoing ads, it's like top link destinations. So now Amazon outgoing traffic, if I talk about, so this feature identifies which external websites or platforms are receiving traffic from Amazon. Now ICICIbank.com, HDFCbank.com, and WIBMO.com. So these are getting traffic from Amazon.com. So there is a traffic which is going from Amazon to these websites. Okay, it shows where the website visitors are going after leaving the site. So if they are leaving Amazon and they are moving on to ICICI website. Okay, similarly we have this outgoing ads. Okay, outgoing ads, it's it highlights any outgoing ads which are advertisements placed on other websites to drive back to the to Amazon. Okay, so we can say that outgoing ads, it's like highlighting your any outgoing ads. So if there is any outgoing ad, so which are advertisements, outgoing ad means that these are the advertisements which are placed on other websites to drive traffic back to Amazon. Okay, so there can be an ad on Myntra, there can be an ad on Flipkart, Chroma.com, and if someone clicks on that and comes back again to Amazon. Next we have social. So if we look at this, so this feature provides information about the social media platforms like YouTube, Twitter, WhatsApp, web app, Facebook, Instagram, and other. Okay, so these are the social media platforms that are sending traffic to to Amazon, including the number of visits from each platform. Okay, so we can see that YouTube is the highest driving traffic for Amazon. It is driving around 81% traffic to Amazon. Then we have Twitter, we got around 4% traffic from Twitter. Then from WhatsApp also we have 4%. Then from Facebook it is very less as compared to the other platforms. It's 2.72%. Then followed by Instagram and other. So Instagram also is not doing that good as compared to YouTube. So out of all these social media platforms, I can see that YouTube is the major source of providing traffic to Amazon. Next we have display advertising. So if we talk about display advertising, so we have this display ad network and we have got this top publishers. So actually, what is this display advertising? So this feature gives insights into Amazon's display advertising efforts. So what kind of display advertising Amazon is doing, including details about the number of display ad impressions and their respective publishers. Okay, so Q links, it's 25.83%, and this Kenchu, it's 1.92%. Then these are the top publishers. Okay, youtube.com and poki.com, sonylib.com, maxplayer.in. So these are the publishers where Amazon's ads are being displayed. Okay, so this is about our website performance. And then we have this similar sites. If we go on to the similar sites, then we can see that the other players in the market are Flipkart, Chroma, IndiaMart, 91 Mobile, Snapdeal, Etsy, Jungly, and more. Okay, so you can see the traffic, I mean their rank, their affinity. So you can check all of these. So you can explore this tool a lot. And I hope you like this video about website performance, which is given in SimilarWeb. You can also create an account and just extract out as much information as you can, and you will have a lot of familiarity, like how to use this while doing a competitor analysis. And suppose this is just one example which I did, like for Amazon only. You can do research for other competitors which are in your industry. Suppose you are in books, your industry is books and literature, so you can go for other competitors in your industry. Or if you are, say, a tarot card reader, so you can explore what other tarot card readers are doing in the industry. And then if you are into laptops, so you can just go and find out, type your competitor in the search box and just find out what kind of advertising, the kind of traffic, what kind of referral links, the social media platforms it is using, and all that kind of information you can gather. And on the basis of that, you can create and customize your own marketing strategy that would be useful and promising for delivering good results for your marketing strategy. In the next videos, I will be covering more about this tool, so stay tuned and do watch my other videos also.